What's up, goody gang? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing an install video. Curly Me hair, not sponsored. I purchased this wig with my own money. Let's get into it. Boom, I'm coming back with my cap already put on. I'm going to use my Ruby's Kisses level 15 and I'm going to put that all on my cap. This is a HD cap and came inside the package with the wig. All right, boom. I already laid my glue down. I used 4 layers and I waited until each layer turned clear before I put the next layer on. So now I'm just laying my wig down here. I'm using my comb and I'm making sure I'm pressing that lace into the glue so everything could be laid down. Then boom, I'm going to come back and put my elastic band on and I'm going to leave that on for about 30 minutes because I wasn't using a blow dryer. So I wanted to make sure that the glue was completely dry. But if you're using a blow dryer, you can sit for 15 minutes, but I didn't have one. So boom, came back with my edges already cut, lace cut, edges cut, curled. I'm using the Gots to Be in the black container, the little jelly, to swoop my edges here. I like using this sometimes. Sometimes I can use the spray. Sometimes I can use wax stick edge control. It really don't matter. Whatever you like to do your edges with, use what's best for you. If you like, it depends on how you like them though. If you like your edges stuck down, not moving, not going nowhere, you can use this. If you want the more fluffy look, use the spray. So boom, I'm doing my other sideburn here, and then I think I'm put my band on again to let this product completely dry. See, I put a little bit of the Got to Be spray so it don't move, don't go nowhere. Put my band on again for another 10-15 minutes. So shout out to Curly Me hair. I really did like this wig, 99J burgundy-ish color. I was feeling fall. So yeah, tap in with your girl. It's your girl, Slim Goody the Great. Good day.